Body image. The National Eating Disorder Association says on their website, "We live in a media-saturated world. Do not control the message. There is no single cause of body dissatisfaction or disordered eating. However, research is increasingly clear that media does indeed contribute, and that the exposure to and pressure exerted by the media increase body dissatisfaction and disordered eating." My own personal beliefs growing up. I'm not sure if any of you could relate, but I remember hearing how an actress should have a certain look and must avoid being fat. When I was young and naive, I thought that was the only way I could agree whether someone I knew was attractive was if they looked like the people I saw on TV and in the movies. Kelly Clarkson. I can't recall someone in the media whose weight gets more talked about more than this beautiful woman. It is almost bizarre how much it is talked about. The constant attention of her weight cannot have a positive effect on her fans that idolize her. I think the media needs to stop the obsession over people's weight. According to Meg Meeker in her book Strong Fathers, Strong Daughters, she tells us, sadly, 90% of the eating disorders, anorexia and bulimia, occur in girls and women ages 12 to 25 when their developing minds and bodies are most vulnerable. The media has a responsibility to change. We know that younger minds are more impressionable. It is the media that teaches us that skinny is beautiful. The media needs to stop talking about weight so much. The media should be a positive force that helps fight off image struggles that lead to eating disorders and low self-esteem. Factors. According to the National Eating Disorder Association, the major factors that cause eating disorders are low self-esteem, feeling of inadequacy, depression, anxiety, difficult expressing emotion, troubled family relationships, culture pressures, and glorifying thinness, and other psychological or genetic factors. The reason why I chose this topic this week is that I have two wonderful, beautiful girls with a third one on the way. We found out we were pregnant with our third baby just this week. And I know the responsibility I have as a father on making sure they have a positive body image. And it is something that they could very well struggle with as they are impressionable and growing up. So I just encourage all of you to really consider how we view ourselves and how we are affecting other people. And we can't maybe solely rely on the media to change, but I know we can alter the way people think of body image. Thank you.